Hey, what's up? It's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. It's my birthday. You know me, guys. Like, I eat like other YouTubers for a day. I wanted to see what it would be like to eat like the ideal Aries for a day. That's even a thing. So yeah, what we're gonna do is go through the day in the life as an Aries. Somebody please count how many times I say Aries in this video. So let's look up some of the traits of an Aries really quick. Our strengths are that we are courageous, determined, confident, enthusiastic, optimistic, honest, and passionate. Weaknesses: impatient, moody, short-tempered, impulsive, aggressive. That's me, like to a T. I was looking up things like behavior type of things, and it says that the best way for an Aries to start their day is with a morning workout. I did get my butt up this morning and I hit the gym. I'm really lucky that our apartment complex gym is still open. It's super small, only one person is in it at a time. Just had to put that disclaimer in there. I thought that it would be really fun to get dressed as my zodiac sign. I did see Mia Maples do this. I'll give her a quick shout out and link her video in the description box. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's get into this video, and also comment down below what your zodiac sign is and like what some of your traits are that you think are incredibly accurate. What we're going to make is a buffalo chicken wrap because we like fiery foods and we also like food that is just super quick and easy to make. I laid out all the ingredients here. I'll just walk you through it. Got these olive oil whole wheat wraps from Trader Joe's, some broccoli slaw, a little bit of crumbled blue cheese, ranch. This is the staple, Red Wings buffalo sauce. I got this pre-cooked chicken just to make my life easier. And then we have a half a red onion that I'm gonna cut up, and then an avocado and a half. I'm making two because Nick wants one, and I might as well just bake it for him while I'm making my own. One of my many guilty pleasures is buffalo wings, so anything that has that flavor and kick, I'm here for, and I'm really excited. So what I'm going to do is chop up some of this chicken and put it in a bowl with the Red Wings hot sauce and a little bit of butter, and let that kind of sit for a few minutes while I prep the wraps. Okay, you can't lie right now and tell me that this doesn't look phenomenal. I'm just worried about, you know, wrapping up the entire thing because I made it pretty thick, and I ended up putting the chicken on the stove a little bit just to heat it up, and wow. Also, the blue cheese is potent. It smells gnarly, but hopefully it'll be good. So now I'm gonna struggle to wrap it and then eat it. This is really good. I will say, it could go without the blue cheese. It's very strong. No! I was gonna have a diet root beer and we're out. Okay, I'm going to eat this now. Now that I'm all fed, it's time to actually get dressed for the day. It's almost like 2, so really nailed that one. I'm going on Pinterest and I'm looking up zodiac signs outfits. And I'm just gonna go to the first one I see. So it looks like it's an off-the-shoulder sweatshirt with jeans and a belt. I don't really want to wear jeans right now. Do I have something similar to this? Yeah, okay. So I have my favorite jeans here. These are from a Goldie. And then what I think I'm gonna do is wear this little bodysuit under this brown cardigan because this cardigan is really similar in color to that one. Let me change really quick. Okay, I have the outfit on. Also, it's really bothering me that this is open. And then in this photo, she's also wearing like a gold pendant necklace. So I'm gonna put this little thing on that I got from Charming Charlie like years and years ago, because I don't even know if that store is still a thing. Now it's time for hair, zodiac signs hair. This is the first one that came up. This is like a half up, half down braid kind of situation. I don't know if I'll be able to do that. I have no skill level when it comes to doing my hair. Dry shampoo. I feel like my hair is always like the first thing to get neglected, even though it's actually one of my biggest insecurities. Like, I feel like my hair never looks good. Okay, I found a hair tie, thank God. There's that. Then what I'm going to do is take this little hair tie and braid this. It's about as long as it can go because there's a little bit of breakage and then it doesn't really get that even. I don't know. What do we think? Now it's time for zodiac signs makeup. Is that like pink? That looks like a light pink with a darker outer corner. I do have my conspiracy palette, which I think this could actually work really well. Bring back my old beauty guru days. I'm gonna come in a little closer. I'm really nervous about putting pigment on. I actually feel like I could put that on my whole lid. I think I'm going to. I'm just gonna like blend that a little bit. Then what I'm gonna do is take Tanacon and just kind of blend that again on the edges. I have never touched Not a Fact, so I'm a little scared. I'm going to take this same really fluffy brush. I love this brush. It's from Luxie. And I am going to just lightly start building on like the outer edge. I feel like this doesn't look too bad. What I'm gonna do is put on some falsies and more mascara, and then I'm actually gonna add my contour and highlight because the only thing I did today was foundation and mascara in anticipation for this video. Water break. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be right back and we'll see the whole look together. Okay, here's the final look. This is it. This is the makeup, hair, outfit. It's so weird to see myself in like a full face of makeup, like full set of lashes, if I'm not like going out. This is what it looks like. I think it's pretty cute. And here's a little better view of the makeup. These are the only lashes I have, and they are the most dramatic lashes ever. But I feel like the eyeshadow turned out okay. I'm going to have Nick take some photos of me. If you have a full face of makeup on and like clothes, I feel like you should take a photo. Back in the kitchen, time to make dinner. Along with that whole spicy, fiery kind of theme, we are making Thai curry tonight. And this is the first time I've ever made Thai curry. I found a recipe online that used like all ingredients that you can find at Trader Joe's, because that's literally, if I were to look this way, it's like 3 blocks that way. So it's very easy for me to get there. I just went super early in the morning the other day, waited in line, wore a mask. Anyway, I'm talking a lot. Let me show you everything we need for this recipe. So over here, I cut up an entire yellow onion and then 2 red peppers. Over here, I'm going to cut some mushrooms. I have some sweet potato ribbons, and then these are the main stars of the show. So I have this Thai style red curry sauce, and then I got reduced fat coconut milk. So basically, we are going to cook all the vegetables. I'm going to steam the sweet potatoes and then mix it all together in like one thing, and then also add shrimp on top. Pan. Turn this on, grab some olive oil. I like a lot of garlic, like an obscene amount of garlic, like no vampires. Sorry, Edward, you're not invited tonight. Then salt and pepper, lots of onions. Adding in the peppers and more salt and pepper. Just a little update from the cafe, okay? We have the shrimp is all cooked, just waiting to be put into the dish. These veggies are nice and sauteed. And then under here, I am sauteing my sweet potato ribbons. And then we're gonna add everything else. Gonna add the coconut milk, an entire can. And then adding in the curry sauce. I don't know any measurements, guys. I'm just kind of winging this. Oh yeah, look at that. Just gonna let it simmer for a bit and then add shrimp. All right, guys, this is what it looks like all together. Added the shrimp. We've got the sweet potato, onion, red pepper, mushroom. This looks so freaking good. It's really heavy and really hot. So I'm gonna need to put like I'm gonna put this placemat down on the table. And then I have some rice for us here. It's my first time ever making curry.
This looks amazing.
Yes. A nice slurp. It's good? Sick. Okay. I'm gonna get some. Okay.
Let's see.
Oh yeah. Well, it's good. The flavor's there.
You're good.
What can I say? I look like I went through the ringer. I can't even tell you how excited I am to take this makeup off. Like, this was just a little too much. Nick and I just watched the first episode of the Imagineering story, and I realized I was wearing my Disney shirt. Oh, I changed, by the way, because after dinner, like, I was not gonna wear jeans anymore. We ended up making a little bit of cookie dough and having some peanut butter cookie dough, and watch this. I cried a lot, so if I look a mess, that's why too. But I'm gonna end this video here. That was really fun. I really enjoyed eating like my zodiac sign. As always, leave any video requests in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.